I'm going to show you how to deactivate your DigitalOcean account. Let's get started. So, here in your account, you're going to click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click it. Now go to this option, My Account, and click it. It'll load here, just wait a moment. There you go, now you'll see your profile information here. Here you're going to scroll down, keep scrolling, and at the very bottom you'll find the option to deactivate your account. And just keep in mind that you can't delete your account if you still have active resources or outstanding balances, okay? So you can click here, Deactivate. You'll be redirected, just wait a moment. You'll come to this page here, and here you can make your choice. If you check this option here, DigitalOcean system will erase all your information, all your account information. If you want to access it again, you'll have to create a new account. If you leave this option unchecked, when you want to use it again, you can reactivate it using the same details from your current account, okay? I want my information deleted, so I'm going to check it. You check it if you want, and click here to delete, deactivating the user. You wait, and that's it, folks. I've just deactivated my account here, okay? As you can see, your account has been successfully deactivated, and that's it. If I helped, don't forget, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.